everyone, my name is Raindrops. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning drop, welcome back. Today we are going to do something that I normally don't do on my channel. I've done it probably a handful of times, and that's to apply a wig. And my hair has already been washed, conditioned, oiled, and basically prepped. So what I'm going to do, I did this because I'm going to be doing a look in a couple of days that I got a new wig, and I can't wait to do that one. But in the meantime, I'm going to do a wig that I put on, I think it was earlier this year or sometime last year. I got this wig. I've only had it on once. I washed it, and it was a yucky texture when I got it. So I flat ironed it, and then this is what I got. So when I washed it, it exactly came just like this. I haven't done anything else to it but washing and conditioning it. I brushed it out and I let it air dry, and this is what I got. So I'm going to do that with you guys today, just for a different look. And plus, I just wanted to, for at least a couple of days, looking for my hair pins, my bobby pins. At least for a couple of days, I wanted to leave my hair moisturized, and just leave it alone for a few days. So, I have my wig cap. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I don't know if I want to do the ball cap method because I'm going to take this back off. So I don't wear wigs because of the fact that I have vertigo, and any pressure applied to my head kind of activate that and makes it act up and makes it the feeling worse. So what I initially wanted to do was do the ball cap method because I know I would be able to cut all of this off. But again, since I'm not going anywhere, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like this. I'm gonna take the Got To Be glue that I have. I don't think I'm gonna use this as an adhesive, but I am gonna just lay my hairs back a little bit, baby hairs and edges. Even though this has a hard hole, it smells so good. And take my edge brush and just brush it back. All right. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my foundation, because I don't use this because it's not matte. I don't mind using this, and it's from the beauty supply store, so it has a doppler applicator. I'm just going to take one of my brushes because I have already had this on. It's basically already, the lace was cut, and this was a synthetic wig, so still had the baby hairs and all of that as well. The spray that I'm going to be using is the Ibn Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, extreme firm hold active. I also have the Got To Be, but I'm not going to use that, so I'm going to clip the hair back. my hair. I just curled it and clipped it away, as you saw. I've already primed my face. I'm just about to set it with some loose powder. And I'm not going to talk through this portion either. I just wanted you guys to see, I think it was about a month ago, I bought the Ruby Kisses 24-Hour Matte Foundation, and I liked it. I mixed it with my Rimmel Stay Matte, which is my favorite. And the particular beauty supply store that I went in when I got this, I assumed that this was my color because the color after this was darker. It was too dark. But went to another beauty supply store and saw all of the shades that they had. And the shade match that I was in is 345. It is their long-lasting, transfer-proof foundation and concealer together. This is 345, like I said, coconut. So I'm gonna use that today so you guys can see how well the color match is, and then we could just get on with the rest of the makeup now. So I will see you guys in my next video. If you are new, please take the time to hit the subscribe button. Like this video, share it, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.